Raju, did you enjoy learning about the kitchen?
Yes, Ma. I had the maximum fun while making the lemonade.
Very good, Raju. Did you know that the art of making food is also referred to as Pak Kala or Pak Shastra? It is a part of an age-old tradition. In ancient times, modern equipments hadn't been invented. Food, hence, was cooked very differently. Why don't we go to your grandmother and learn more about this?
Yes, Ma. I would love to learn more about this. Pranam, Dadi.
Live long, my child. So what's cooking today?
Oh, nothing is cooking, Dadi. But I am collecting information about the process of cooking. It is my homework. Tell me, Dadi, when you were young, was food cooked differently?
Yes, Raju. When I was young, our utensils, stoves, and process of cooking food all were different.
Oh, Dadi, what kind of utensils did you cook and eat in?
At our time, we cooked in iron or copper utensils, which were much heavier compared to today's utensils. Food was both cooked and eaten in metal utensils. Certain families also ate in silver utensils because it was believed that the qualities of the metals are passed on to the food. In fact, we also cooked in clay handis and other utensils. We ground spice in mortar and pestle made of stone. At some places, wooden utensils were also in use.
Oh, I have not ever seen these utensils, Dadi. I also want to know what kind of a stove did you use while cooking?
When I was very young, I lived in a village with my parents. There, food was cooked using cow dung cakes or wood as fuel. There used to be a mitti ka chula or an earth stove which was fueled with cow dung cakes, coal or wood. When we grew up a little, this earth stove was replaced by a kerosene stove. Food also started getting cooked on electric stoves and heaters. Now all of these are no longer in use. Most homes use LPG cylinders and gas stoves, but in many villages of India, traditional modes of cooking are still used. Okay, Raju, I would like to ask you a question now. There are different ways and techniques of cooking different things in our Pak Kala. I will take the name of a thing and you have to tell me how is it cooked, okay?
Okay, Dadi.
Roti and paratha.
A roti or paratha is cooked on a hot tawa.
Bangan ka bharta.
For a bharta, the brinjal is roasted before cooking.
Pakoras.
Pakoras are the items that are fried.
Rice.
Rice are boiled.
You are very smart, Raju. Now go and finish your homework. But before you do that, tell me, what all did you learn today?
I learned that in olden times, different kind of utensils were used, which were made of iron, copper, stone, wood, and clay. At that time, the stoves were also different and they used coal, wood, cow dung cakes as fuel. You also taught me that there are different techniques of cooking like baking, roasting, frying, boiling, etc.
Well done, Raju. Now note all of this in your textbook.